Welcome to PDF Reader Pro, the simplified and all-in-one PDF solution. It's tax season. Still wasting hours extracting tables from multiple PDF files one by one? With PDF Reader Pro, you can batch convert PDFs to Excel and accurately extract table data in seconds. Clean, accurate, and effortless. Open PDF Reader Pro and head straight to the batch tool on the homepage, then select Convert. Simply drag and drop all your documents at once. On the right panel, you have full control. Choose your target format, like Excel for data analysis, adjust specific parameters, or enable OCR to make your scanned archives editable. Once you're ready, just click Apply. PDF Reader Pro handles the rest locally on your device, ensuring your sensitive financial data never leaves your computer. No more manual data entry. You now have organized, editable files ready for your tax software or accountant, minimizing errors and maximizing focus. Don't let tax deadlines dictate your pace. Double your efficiency with PDF Reader Pro and reclaim your time. Try it now.